You may experience your very first disaster while you stay in Japan. Being prepared and ready to cope with disasters in any case they occur will save your lives and property. Here is how to prepare for emergencies and disasters. Perhaps the most major natural disaster in Japan is the earthquake. Don't panic and remain composed when an earthquake occurs. First, duck under a table. Keep yourself safe from falling objects. Then find your way out, but don't run for your life. Gather necessary information to understand the details of damage and whether you need to evacuate or not, using your mobile and other useful devices such as TV. UR's building has not reported any great damage even in an earthquake due to its resistance. If you are using a possible cause of fire when the shaking starts, turn it off immediately. You can avoid injury by using useful equipment to keep large furniture in place. Typhoons and heavy rain are also things to be aware of. Check the news daily, and in case of a typhoon, this is what you have to do. First, check your balcony. Anything that might be blown away should be moved inside. Second, lock up. Use tape and towels to block up the opening, which will prevent water and wind from coming in. Last but not least, keep the drainage ditch in the balcony clean so rainwater will not flow into your room. Remember, it is dangerous to jump outside in a hurry when a disaster occurs. So don't panic. Look around and think carefully whether it is safer to evacuate or to stay at home. Please refer to disaster prevention apps and internet pages which offer services in multiple languages for detailed information. Use the emergency door in case you need to evacuate. Never use the elevator for your safety. Check the evacuation route by joining the emergency evacuation drill held at your apartment complex. As an individual, keeping emergency provisions and flashlights should help you in case of emergency. In an actual disaster, each area has an emergency evacuation site where you can shelter yourself. You will be provided food and necessary assistance at these sites. We advise you to check the nearest one from your place in advance. No one knows when a natural disaster will occur, so just be prepared. Don't be too anxious. Gathering useful information occasionally and helping each other in case of disaster will save our important lives. Welcome all! Your new life in Japan has just begun.